Open. Chalo, read. Whoosh. An aeroplane is
amazing.
for it
That's in the sky.
above the
Clouds.
for so very
Far high in the air.
high in the air. Next, an airport is the place you go to.
By air.
Yes, you take a trip by air. You check in at the
Amen.
to show you have. Yes, you have paid your fare. Next, the ground crew weigh your and then you take the walkway to the when you are told. Next, read. The flight's deck. Where is the? They both know how to. ఇరవై గొత్తుంది. They both know how to fly the plane with all its. Their radio. They can't take off unless it is with other planes so near. Yes. By intercom, the captain on the flight deck says, "Hello, this is your captain speaking. You have to do your seat belt up before the plane can go. A plane is